20 modern sofas to go with any type of decor. As the centerpiece of any social area, a stylish sofa often serves as a functional focal point. It's important to balance comfort with aesthetics to get the best possible effect. This post outlines 20 fabulous sofa designs for any style, from Scandinavian chic to industrial minimalism. You'll find sofas for every budget, every interior color scheme, and every type of space, whether you're looking to outfit an open layout living room or a fully equipped home theater. We hope you'll find ideas for your new favorite sofa right here. Stop by the comment section to let us know which one is your top favorite. Mid-century modern style tufted sofa. With its unique and dramatic profile, this curvaceous sofa combines contemporary simplicity with mid-century modern character. It even includes the adorable herringbone print throw pillows for effortless coordination. Of course, modern sofas in colors like this handsome robin's egg blue have plenty of other viable color coordinates if you ever feel like getting creative. Modern style sofa with color options. Not only does this stylish sofa feature a versatile form that could suit any contemporary interior, it comes in a wide variety of stunning color options, from fire-engined red to lemon yellow, with tons of stylish neutrals in between. Choose from polyester or bonded leather material. Skinny fat condo sofa. Despite its modest looks, this is one of the most comfortable sofas out there. And if you're looking for a sofa that will fit your space perfectly, this piece is available in 7 sizes from 80 inches to 92 inches in length, and there's a fair number of fabric colors and leg finishes to choose from. 2. Mid-century modern style gray sofa. This distinctive modern couch makes a strong statement with a unique form that defies conventional proportions. Notice the thin sides, ultra-plush seats, and small round armrest cushions. It's available in beige in addition to light or dark gray to suit a variety of interior styles. Modern 3-seat gray velvet sofa, sophisticated and smooth. This velvety soft sofa is just as comfortable as it looks. Side and bottom cushions are all one piece, permanently affixed, while the side pillows are removable. It's easy to set up, the legs are the only pieces that require assembly. Velvet Chesterfield sofa. Do you love the style of classic Chesterfields, but want something with a more contemporary look? This velvet Chesterfield sofa features chenille upholstery, reversible seat cushions, and matching lumbar side pillows. This model is also available in a warm off-white hue. Modernica sofa. With dozens of upholstery and finish combinations to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect Modernica sofa to fit your interior. This piece would look great in any modern interior but would look especially at home in a space inspired by futurism, minimalism, or contemporary Scandinavian style. Super retro orange sofa, inspired by the outrageous forms of furniture from the 80s, or even the atomic age aesthetic of the late 40s. This bright orange sofa is sure to start conversations. This piece would make a great focal point in a modern minimalist home, or would look great next to other pieces inspired by the same time periods. Le Corbusier style sofa, inspired by the Grand Coffin series by Le Corbusier, this modern sofa furniture set is a great choice for interiors that want to channel a cool industrial style. The original set was designed in 1928 and continues to serve as a style icon to this day. Mid-century style futon. Now let's look at some sofas for small spaces. This futon does double duty, laying flat to serve as a comfortable spare bed for unexpected guests. The stylish materials and form were inspired by the minimalist side of Scandinavian design, making it a versatile choice for just about any decor theme. Because it folds backward instead of pulling out, it can sit conveniently next to your favorite mid-century modern coffee table. Modern futon sofa. This 3-position sofa can serve as a couch, a lounge, or a small cot. In small spaces like studio apartments, it more than makes up for the amount of space it occupies. These cool modern sofas are available in bright hues spanning the entire rainbow. Scandinavian-style convertible couch bed. Simple, stylish, and versatile. This convertible sofa offers a variety of ways to enjoy its comfortable design. Not only can you lay this sofa flat to use it as a bed, but you can also simply recline the back to enjoy movies or books from the lounging position. Super customizable transformer sleeper sofa. If you thought the sofas previously outlined in this guide were versatile, just wait until you see everything this piece can do. The single chair can slide left or right, unfold into a lounge or bed, or come together to extend the main body of the couch. The small tables are super useful for books or morning coffee. Modern style sleeper sofa. Of course, sometimes you need something a little bigger than a standard futon or sleeper sofa. This pull-out sofa offers the comfort of a full-sized bed without sacrificing on style. Modern sectional sofa. Are you looking for something completely different for your home theater room? This unique sectional sofa has it all. With white leather upholstery, bold black accents, and creative shapes and patterns, this piece will define any space it occupies. Modern sectional sofa with storage. Finding the right sofa for the center of a room is never easy, but this piece looks great from any angle. With plenty of space for books, sketchpads, and movies, it's the ultimate entertainment space for a relaxing weekend at home. Why? Circular sectional sofa. While circular sofas aren't exactly known for their versatility within interior design, this piece defies expectations. It comes apart into 5 pieces that you can rearrange at will. The middle portion can serve as an ottoman or upholstered table. The end pieces can pull away and double as extra seating for guests. Contemporary tufted seat sectional sofa, with adjustable headrests. This white contemporary sofa allows everyone in the family to find their comfort zone. Add the extra armless chair, shown next to the lounge, to expand your seating. IKEA equable sofa with shelving. What a great multi-purpose sofa for a small apartment. It includes 2 shelves, one in the front and one in the back, to hold your favorite books, shoes or magazines. Add hooks to the back to create a home for other accessories like purses, hats, or gloves. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.